Where do you think you're going? Huh? I told you not to come around these parts ever again. Yeah, you thought I was joking. Get out of here, Frog. He's so sweet. He doesn't even care.
It's feeding time down on the homestead. Carters all get in line. I know what I want to eat tonight. I know what I want to eat tonight.
It looks atrocious.
I know I want to eat tonight. So let's go on.
Why?
It's feeding time down on the homestead.
Somebody probably saying, shoot that cow.
Taco stuffed peppers. Yum. As I like to start my mise en place, I got my green bell pepper. Ooh, and I'm saving the seeds because I have a garden to sow them in. You know what I mean? You got your salt, your pepper, red bell pepper, cheese, some garlic, chopped garlic in the back. We use it pretty often. I like a lot of garlic. I usually go for fresh. They purchased this chopped garlic because there's a lot of it. We have a green salad today. So you want to just dice up your green bell peppers and then take your yellow onion. Dice up your green bell pepper, dice up your yellow onion. Grab your fresh garlic cloves. You want to take the skin off, the husk, give it a nice squish. That'll release it from its captivity and release its delicious, vibrant flavor. You want to just mince that as small as you can get it. Hey, there's Matt Wilson again. You got your red bell pepper. Take a nice segment out of there. Ooh, save your seeds. You can always replant those. The garlic is starting to sprout, so we're going to plant those in the garden as well eventually, when it gets nice and tall and sturdy. So dice up your red bell pepper. Chop. Chop that, chop that. Put all the ingredients into a serving bowl. That way it could be ready to go to add to the pot. Ooh, tomatoes, my favorite. Delicious. Well, I don't know if it's my favorite vegetable. I like tomatoes whole cooked in my food. Let's see, what would be my favorite? I think my favorite is cilantro and onion together. My favorite combination is probably cilantro and onion. Or is it tomato and cabbage? Dang it. But if you put tomato, cabbage, and cilantro with onion together, like, you have a complete deliciousness. You got your cabbage, you want to shred up the cabbage. You know, rough chop some more tomatoes, add it to the cabbage. Good stuff. Ooh, open your cans of refried beans. I promise, one of these days, I will do a bean video. One of these days. Time to fry up some meat. Get your olive oil, probably about a teaspoon, like a tablespoon and a half of garlic. Let it get all nice and sizzly. Add in your green, your red pepper, onion, and your fresh garlic, salt and pepper, cabbage with tomato. Hello! Saute that. Let it get all nice and soft. Flavorful. Look how that color changes. What's cooking good? looking, it's ground beef. My family eats a lot of beef. Too much beef. Add in some more onion and pepper, well, bell pepper and garlic into the ground beef. Then you're gonna turn that into nice fried little crumbles. Don't go crumbling my heart. I wouldn't if I tried. Oh, don't go crumbling my heart. I won't go crumbling your heart. Salt and pepper. Scotty. Look at Mr. Scott. That was crushed red pepper. Nice little kick in the pants. A little more in the mouth. Those crumbles. Drain me. Take all the liquid from my meat. I said drain me. Fry it up brown and let me sweep. Won't you drain me? Drain me. Oh. A seasoning packet of taco seasoning. Delicious, quick and easy. It's good stuff. You know, just stir it in, incorporate it, make sure you mix it all about. Because that's what taco is all about. Oh, you want to take your green pepper that you haven't chopped up yet, and you're going to take out the stem, and you want to collect the seeds. Always keep your seeds. But if it has, actually, I would prefer that you only buy things that have seeds, and always keep those seeds and throw them in your yard, whether they grow or not. But if they do, think of that delicious fruit or vegetable you could have growing in your yard. You want to keep the stem and the flesh of the bell pepper together, so that way you can use it as a top. And then you want to take the bell pepper and just give it a nice little char. I could have charred it more than I have, but you can decide your desired level. The idea is just to give it a little flavor before you put it in the oven to bake. Ooh, take your corn, add some tomato salsa, delish. Salt and pepper, delish. I bet you can tell what video this came from. Delish. 2 different videos at the same time. Delish. Oh, rice. Of course, white rice. There's your bell pepper. Bell pepper. So you're gonna take your meat, the cabbage, the rice, and some beans with the corn, and just layer your bell pepper. I used a plexiglass, or it's not. What kind of glass is that? An oven-safe glass loaf pan. An oven-safe glass loaf pan with, you know, the peppers, the cabbage, the rice, the meat, the taco meat, the refried beans, and then I'm gonna put the lid on it and just let it bake again. Into the unknown.
Did you know Leah Michelle had 2 albums?
Into the unknown. Oh. Who?
Leah Michelle from Glee.
Get that juice in there. As it cooks down and boils up from the bell pepper cooking in the oven, it's gonna give it a wonderful, delicious flavor mixture in the rice. Oh, good stuff. Now you just want to bake. You can bake it in the oven. I chose the toaster oven. When I lived in Los Angeles, I had a toaster oven that I used more often than the stove. It's just something about this condensed direct heat that just, I don't know, it toasted everything so nice. It's very, very nice. And it doesn't heat up as much as the oven would. So, you know, there's that. It's hot. Los Angeles is hot. Oh, maybe, yeah, Los Angeles is hot. You just want to let it bake for a spell. Pico de gallo, guacamole, sour cream, cheese, a side salad. What a wonderful taco stuffed pepper on Taco Tuesday.